Let me click here on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful bulb on off animation on PowerPoint. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let me go to Home tab, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide like this. Now go to Design tab, go to Format Background, go to Solid Fill, go to Color. Let me insert this color from here. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to Insert tab, go to Picture. Let me insert online picture from here. Now let me write here bulb. Now let me insert this bulb from here. Now this is perfect. Let me click on the bulb. Now hold the shift key and adjust from here like this. Now this is perfect, and a little bit increase the size and place it here like this. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here like this. Go to crop and select the crop. Let me crop this bulb from here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now click here and place it here like this. Now this is perfect. Go to color. Let me select this color from here. Now this is perfect. Go to correction. Let me insert brightness plus 20%, contrast 0%, normal correction from here. Now this is perfect. Go to picture effect. Go to glow. Let me insert this kind of glow here. Now go to picture effect again. Go to glow. Click on glow option. Now increase the size of glow to 60% from here. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to again Insert tab, go to Picture, go to Online Picture. Let me insert a switch from here. Now let me write here switch on off. Now click on Enter. Now from here let me insert this switch from here. Click on Insert. Now this is perfect. Hold the shift key and decrease the size from here. Now place it here like this. Now this is perfect, and a little bit decrease the size of this switch. Now let me go to Insert tab again. Go to Shape. Let me insert a oval shape. Hold the shift key and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, make it white fill. Now place it here like this. Now press Ctrl D, make it duplicate and place it here like this. Now this is perfect. By using arrow key, adjust from here. Go to Home tab, go to Select, go to Selection pane. Now select this one. Let me write here on. Now this is perfect. Now select this one and click here. Now let me write here off. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to add some animation from here. Select the bird, go to animation. Now select me appear. Now this is perfect. Now go to trigger. Let me select on. Now this is perfect. Now select the bulb again. Go to add animation. Now let me select from here disappear. Now this is perfect. Go to trigger. Let me select off. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to again Insert tab, go to Shape, take a text box and drag it over here like this. Now let me write here bulb on off animation on PowerPoint. Now select the text from here. Go to font and change the font into Arial black. Now go to Shape Format, go to Text Fill. Let me select the white color from here. Go to Home. Let me increase the size of this text like this. Now this is perfect, and place it in center. Make it text shadow. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now select the text box and place it here in center. Now let me go to again Insert tab, go to Shape and take a text box and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect and place it here like this. Now let me write here on. Now this is perfect. Select the text from here, go to font and change the font into Arial black. Increase the font size from here, go to shape format. Let me select the yellow color from here. Now place it here like this. Make it duplicate from here. Now place it here like this. Now select the text from here. Let me write here off. Now this is perfect and amazing. Select the text from here again. Go to text fill. Let me fill white color. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. Let me click on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. This is just amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos and presentation. Thank you.